on.
Oh my god.
Welcome to the game. $1 Million Wheels. All new Mondays at 10 on TNT.
Well, you make my dreams come true.
Get 5 boneless wings for just $1 with any burger. Only at Applebee's. Someone tried to steal your Butterfinger this Halloween. Call the BFI. No one lays a finger on your Butterfinger.
When you get Domino's delivered, you can get any 2 or more mix and match items for $6.99 each. And now we're adding $6.99 Parmesan bread bites. And what happened to the other lava cake?
Sebastian. Yeah, that's weird.
Get 2 or more mix and match items delivered for $6.99 each.
Heart-pounding design, intelligent technology, courageous performance. Discover a new world of possibilities in the all-new Lexus RX. Never lose your edge.
There's no way, Chowder. Yo, you gotta be kidding me.
Down Rampage.
Unbelievable.
That is what you call a wicked shot.
Rack 'em up, Chi-Town.
Come and get me. Halloween ends. It's just the beginning.
Where's my killer?
Now scratch your face.
This face?
Stay in the car.
Please.
It's a great day to be alive, isn't it?
From classics to new exclusives on Peacock.
At Jersey Mike's, you gotta see him freshly slice your sub right in front of you. Look at that turkey. Look at that provolone. Yep, there's some things you just gotta see. Like those lovebirds over there. Or this guy, pulling off business and casual. Bizazzual. Or me, about to steal half of this guy's sub. Huh? You better eat it fast, because I'm coming. Sliced right in front of you. It's a Jersey Mike's thing. A sub above.
What if everything you love about Pop-Tarts pastries was just littler? Then you could slip, sneak, and snack pretty much anywhere. That's boss level snacking right there. Crazy good.
Sweating? Did you like my surprise spread?
Of course I did.
Don't lie to me! Those slices are long-lasting sweat protection.
Okay, I lied.
Drop the confetti, time to start it up. Better get ready, it's about to bust.
Almost there.
It's getting better,
2 minutes completed. Burn calories.
It's getting better all the time. I think I'm gonna make it mine. Let's get together, yeah.
Restructured pork patty sandwich. Arby's real country style rib sandwich. Old, new. Oh man. Oh